As you can see, the Sepang circuit at Kuala Lumpur is in prime condition.
Hello, Greg, you hear me?
You're loud and clear.
So don't make too long stories, huh? Just few words. Okay with the car.
When it rains in Malaysia, believe me, it comes down not by the bucketful, but by the ocean full.
Right, careful, right.
I don't see anything, but I'm coming. Put my tires on, huh?
Okay, ready for you.
Clean the radiator. Clean this radiator.
Box this lap, everyone, box this lap. We'll have to walk, but I'm not going to lose time. Please confirm that you will box. Box members, wait, stay in the trouble.
And I knew there was no help from you.
Trulli is off. Jarno Trulli has gone off the track. You've just seen him. He was the man who was leading the race when the rain started coming down.
The thunder of guns tore me apart.
We're stopped. One stop.
Don't car, just be very careful. A lot of cars going off the road. Be very careful out there.
No, not great. I would like to be on there because there's now the chance to win the races. There are some occasions each year for a race like this where you can really go on the points and you just go the race.
What on earth's going on down at Ferrari? They still haven't got any tyres on the Barrichello's car. This looks like we had back in Nürburgring a year or so back where they just do not appear to have any tyres ready.
Well, look at this. This is a powerboat race. It's not a Formula One car race. As out of the pits after 1 minute and 12 seconds goes Rubens Barrichello.
I don't know if I overtook on the yellow. Otherwise I'll run the plant again. Is there a yellow flag in the last corner? I think so, yeah?
Don't overtake. You're holding left to Q2 out there.
I overtook him, but I left the plant again, so it's no problem.
Good move. Yup. Q2 behind Coulthard. Behind Coulthard.
No, it's full car.
Could I come again, please?
The safety car is in this lap, mate. Think about the restart. The safety car is staying out. It's staying out again. Safety car coming in. I think so, okay?
It doesn't say so.
Safety car in or out? I don't know. Can we not continue till the flag back in?
As ever, very well hooked up. They were already checking it to go right around the outside of Brexit. That's incredible. We've gone right around the outside for the second time. Now Michael's got the run on the inside. It's annoying and it begins to dry up after Michael slicing.
Oh, thank you. It's got a bit boring. Should have had a cup of coffee while I was waiting there, but anyway, boys, well done. Thanks for that.
What an eventful Malaysian Grand Prix.
On the team radio, we hear you say to us, it's been boring here. Is it boring at the beginning? It's boring. It's like misunderstood something. You can't
Are you not entertained?
Lu dendam sama gua.
Mantap. Oh banyak kali berpusing
Banyak lawan aku Kani tu. Aku main lawan Kani.
Aduh.
Kita tiga accident. Lampu ya. Tahan. Aku bukan lah. Belum pusing. Aku mati gelap. Aku berik. Lepas tu dia nak tengok sikit kau. Aku nak budak.
Lain sekali. Aku banyak pusing ke tadi. Sial apa aku takut. Oh banyak pusing ke. Aku macam baju kalau lain tu macam ni.
Yang paling santai menang. Bang. Kita abang belakang sekali kali ni abang nombor 2. Portland. Oh ya. Apa perasaan abang bawa santai dan menang?
Oh, itu nombor 5. Dia tak ada tak boleh. Aduh, dia buka aku gitu.
Hai. Was.
Ada podium lah si.
Kita.
Aku nak naik lah.
Ni kamera ni.
Nombor 1 paling banyak pusing. Kau dia je pusing.
Nombor 3 terbaik grup kita malam ni. Asmita Sibera.
Bayu Petronas tu.
Dia menang. Satu, dua, tiga. Alright. Dan nombor 2. Tak tahu macam mana dia dengan nombor 2. Pada slow lah. Syahni Bisa.
Member tak pusing.
Tak pusing. Nombor 2. Senang je. Santai. Bawa lagu. Ini bagi balik lah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sekejap Ami. 1, 2. Alright.
Okey, naik sana. Naik. Dua je.
Okey, ni memang champion terbaik lah. 2 kali berturut-turut kita buat. Dia 2 kali straight champion. Bashir Kanjo. Legend.
The living legend. Wow.
Ampau. Original. Okey. 1, 2, 3. Ya. Beres.
Mantap.
Ini yang agak straight.
Botol.
Botol. Keren.
Betul. Mana botol?
Okey. Okey. 1, 2. Tunjuk. Mantap. Okey. Kita cabut lah.
Masih motor.
OCBC motor untuk champion malam ni. Kita ada 2 biji kereta. Nah. Okey. Kampion. Sini je. Alright.
Mantap.
Betul masuk sebab hadiah dia. Macam mana? Pertama ni.
Ada satu ni.
Okey. Dah 3. Alright. Apa? Cakap apa?
Mengandungi apa ni? Ingredient.
Cuba tengok depan ada gambar apa?
Tok Su.
Ingredient.
Tok Su meninggal.
Apa komplain dia?
Tok Su kan?
Tok Su.
Tok Su bela kucing. Makanan kucing.
Wajar.
Makanan kucing.
Geng, 3 dah bunda. 3 dah.
Tapi kenapa orang dah ada makanan? Tapi kita tak sendiri.
Video dah balik. Okey, nombor 3.
Ya.
Nombor 2. Sorry.
Nombor 2. Tolak orang luar tu. Nombor 2. Orang main dikit aku suka baca-baca. Baca-baca oleh babas. Apa back komen?
Tak, top speed awal sebenarnya berapa?
174.
Saya rasa
Tapi
nak check balik lah.
GPS 20.
Dashcam kereta rasa bawa 15 je. Habis. Okay, Cik Aidil, apa komen hari ni?
Kecewa lah.
Kecewa lah? Sebab dapat wet race lah.
Wet race. Tayar tak tukar.
Tak sempat bos-bos.
Dan next time plan bagi Sunny lah, Sunny.
Okay, kita next time kita main sebelum buka puasa.
Selalu panas buka puasa tu.
Okay, Leclerc. Pesanan untuk Ferrari.
Sangat mengecewakan hari ni.
Tukar kereta.
Tapi bukan selalu ke bawa traktor merah. Hamilton nombor 3. Nama power. Tapi aku banyak terima komplain naik kereta orang. Kenapa? Cuba bagi tahu. Sebab
Dia ada satu kereta tu.
sebelum tak ada naik kereta orang.
Dia ada serta-serta bau.
Kau pergi minta maaf.
Bau-bau yang special.
Okey, Afrian.